Hello designer and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabsian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we want to learn how we can use one great plugin which its name is LottieFiles. Please open the Figma and we are going to community, and here you are going to search here LottieFile. As you can see, I have written here and I searched it and I brought it here. You can see it and you can try it. I have already installed it, so you can install it and come back to Figma. In Figma already I made 2 frames, which is iPhone 13 mini and frame 2 as well. Then I wrote some text here and I made 2 buttons here and I copy here. And now I'm going to bring the LottieFiles plugin here, and here you can see is LottieFiles. We are going to read, okay. Here as you can see is the search bar. We can go here, and my app is about the cooking. So I'm writing here something like cooking. As you can see, it's brought for me here some pictures, and I'm going to choose, for example, this one. It's good to know that here is the written 30. If it's something like, if I want to choose, for example, this one, you can see 1026 frames. So it will take so much time to be load and be as a GIF to convert to the GIF. So I prefer to go for a lower frames like this. For example, it's just 60, and I'm going to, because I want to use it as a GIF. Both you can use it. As you see, this item is 60 frames, and I'm going to convert it to GIF. So even you can use it as a SVG. It depends on you where you want to use it. And here also is another tips which I can say. Here you can go for different background color. Also is depend on which color for your brand you are going to use, or which color code your client has given to you. Or you don't want, you can just simply be on white. Then I'm going to convert it to GIF. So we are going to wait a little bit, convert it, and I use the background white because my frame here is white. When converting is finished, now I'm going to add it to Figma. You can see it's here, and background is also white. It's showing very good and proper. Now I'm going back to use another one. Again, I'm going to discover and use this one. This also is 30 frame and is going to convert it very fast. Here shouldn't be anything should be selected, otherwise it will go and sit there. Add to Figma, then I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to bring them here just to see better. Zooming a little bit is proper here. The middle, and this is at the middle. I'm selecting both of them to be in same place, and this text also to be in same row. And now just don't forget to change the color of buttons here. These also I'm going to select all of them and to be in one row, and I'm going to change this color. I'm taking this and using here, and this is stroke also. For stroke also I'm going to change it to this color, and this same color is also change. As it's over, now I'm going to prototype section. I'm going to, from first frame, I'm going to select this and come to here. Here I'm going on tab, navigate to frame 2, and here is instant, but I'm going to dissolve, and is out with 300 milliseconds. When it's coming to here, if you can come for logging, or you can come back. I'm taking it, I'm going here, and the same properties on tab and dissolve with the same interaction details. Now I'm going to present mode. I should change to frame 1, then should go to frame 2. Here, as you can see, this is going to be animate. I'm going to choose this one. Next, it dissolve to another frame, and now I'm going to press back, and it's coming back to this section. Or again, next, and you can see that they are going to be animated. It's very simple but very nice design for your app. I wish that you learn this technique and you are going to use this technique on your project. So if you like this video and if you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. And if you wish some different topics, please draw my attention in comment section, then I'm going to make it in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in next time. Bye.